Welcome to Smart Auto, your go-to channel for the latest updates on cutting-edge vehicles and automotive technology. Today, we take an in-depth look at the 2025 Volvo FH 700 XXL, covering its exterior design, performance, interior features, price, safety, and overall capabilities. The exterior design of the 2025 Volvo FH 700 XXL is a perfect blend of aerodynamics, strength, and modern aesthetics. Volvo has made significant improvements to enhance airflow, reducing drag and increasing fuel efficiency. The bold front grille, featuring the signature Volvo emblem, gives the truck a dominant presence on the road. The newly designed LED headlights provide exceptional visibility in all weather conditions, while the daytime running lights add to its premium look. The side mirrors are aerodynamically sculpted, minimizing wind resistance and improving stability. The XXL cab comes with an extended chassis, providing more cabin space without compromising performance. Additional exterior features include a redesigned bumper, enhanced side skirts, and new alloy wheel designs that improve both efficiency and aesthetics. Performance: the 2025 Volvo FH 700 XXL is equipped with a powerful 17.3-liter D17 engine that delivers an impressive 700 horsepower and 3,500 Nm of torque. This engine is built to handle the heaviest loads effortlessly, making it ideal for long-haul transport. The I-Shift automated gearbox ensures smooth and precise gear shifts, adapting to terrain changes for optimal performance. Volvo's predictive cruise control system uses GPS data to anticipate road gradients and adjust speed accordingly, improving fuel economy. The truck also comes with a reinforced chassis and advanced suspension system, providing a stable and comfortable ride even on rough terrains. Its fuel efficiency is enhanced with Volvo's innovative powertrain technology, reducing fuel consumption and lowering emissions. The interior: the Volvo FH 700 XXL offers an unmatched level of comfort and convenience. The Globetrotter XXL cab is designed for drivers who spend long hours on the road, offering a spacious and luxurious environment. The cabin features a larger sleeping area with a high-quality mattress, providing maximum comfort for rest breaks. The driver's seat is fully adjustable with ergonomic lumbar support, ensuring fatigue-free driving. The digital dashboard includes a high-resolution instrument cluster with real-time vehicle diagnostics, navigation assistance, and entertainment options. A large touchscreen infotainment system supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing seamless smartphone connectivity. Additional comfort features include a climate control system, noise insulation for a quieter cabin, and multiple USB ports for charging devices. Storage compartments are strategically placed for easy access, making long trips more convenient. The safety features of the 2025 Volvo FH 700 XXL are among the most advanced in the industry. Volvo has equipped this truck with multiple driver assistance systems to ensure maximum safety on the road. Adaptive cruise control maintains a safe distance from vehicles ahead, while lane keeping assist helps prevent unintended lane departures. The emergency braking system detects obstacles and applies brakes automatically if a collision is imminent. A 360-degree camera system provides a full view of the surroundings, minimizing blind spots. The truck also features electronic stability control, automatic traction control, and advanced rollover prevention technology. Volvo's side detection system alerts drivers to potential hazards in adjacent lanes, reducing the risk of accidents. The reinforced cab structure meets the highest crash safety standards, ensuring the driver's protection in the event of an impact. Now, let's talk about the price of the 2025 Volvo FH 700 XXL. Given its advanced technology, powerful engine, and premium comfort features, this truck falls into the high-end segment of the trucking industry. The base model starts at approximately $160,000, with additional customization options such as enhanced interiors, extra safety features, and aerodynamic packages increasing the price. Fleet buyers may be eligible for discounts or financing options, depending on the dealership and region. Volvo also offers service packages that include maintenance, extended warranties, and remote diagnostics to help minimize operating costs over time. Overall, the 2025 Volvo FH 700 XXL is a game-changer in the heavy-duty trucking industry. Its combination of power, efficiency, safety, and driver comfort makes it a top choice for long-haul operations. The aerodynamic design not only enhances fuel efficiency but also gives the truck a modern and aggressive look. The powerful 700 horsepower engine ensures that it can handle even the most demanding transport tasks with ease. Inside the cabin, Volvo has focused on creating a premium driving experience, making long journeys more comfortable and stress-free. With top-tier safety features, drivers can feel more confident on the road. Whether you are a fleet owner looking for a reliable and efficient truck or a driver seeking comfort and convenience, the Volvo FH 700 XXL is an outstanding choice. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated on the latest automotive innovations, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Smart Auto. Your support helps us bring you more exciting content on the newest vehicles and technologies. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.